So I'm out here on my nature walk and I see this big ass pile of dirt. And you know, it's pretty huge. Look at me on the pile of dirt, man. I can literally get on it. It's so big. It's so big. That's me. It's so big. And I don't know what made it. Yeah, my shoes fell off. I'm barefoot. Get my shoes. Oh shit. Landslide. Landslide. Oh no. Oh. No. 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 Oh. Okay, well I kind of fell off the mountain. Got dust dirt off the phone. Okay. Oh, my shoes. So much sand. Oh. Okay. See what we got out here. Let's see. We got some dogs out there. Got my mom. We got so many things. Ooh, look at that. Look at that vine right there. It's beautiful. Well, like I said, dogs. Like I said, out on my nature walk. And, well, almost done here. I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye.